Okay, first off, for the exciting news, I missed this with the other video, but I want to go ahead and share it with y'all. I reached over 100 subscribers, and I could not be more excited. I'm not gonna cry. I know it's not a lot, but it was a goal of mine, and I reached it in just 3 weeks. So I am so happy for every single one of y'all. And for those of y'all that are new, my name is Maggie Hardy, and welcome to my channel. If y'all would like, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and join the Hardy Party. We would love to have you. For those of y'all that watch on a constant basis, or even if you just jump in to see what's going on, I really appreciate your love and support. And let's keep growing, let's keep doing us and reaching these goals that we are setting. So today I'm going to show you how I got this copper warm toned eye. I really fell in love with it. I think it's absolutely stunning. I love it. So I hope that y'all keep watching and find out how I got this look. I'll show you. Y'all grab your brushes, put on some music, get some tea or some coffee, get whatever it is that you need, and let's do this together. We can do it together. Other than that, today is Saturday shout out. Yay! So today let me scoot over a little bit so I can put her pictures over here. Right in here, she'll be right here somewhere. Today I am shouting out a lady named Sue Mayon. I hope I didn't destroy your name, Sue. If I did, I'm so sorry. I practiced and practiced, and it probably came out wrong. Sue Mayon. I believe it's Italian. Anyways, this lady is the most supportive and loving person ever. She is absolutely gorgeous. She has a wide range of everything that she does on her channel. She likes to do wigs and nails, and she always posts positive things on her page, so definitely go check her out. She also has discount codes for Lash and Glam, and then also Gourmet Girls Beauty, and you can find them on Instagram. I don't know her discount codes, but I do know that if y'all want some pretty glitter or some eyelashes, go check them out. What better way to save money? I will definitely have her stuff linked down below. And if you'd like to be a part of my next Saturday shoutouts, like I always put up a post on my Instagram. If you're not following me there, it is linked down below. Also, I would love to have the opportunity to show y'all off because y'all show me so much love. I want to give all the love back. Keep signing up. If you don't get picked, eventually you will get there. So I really hope that y'all will join next time. And Sue, thank you for your love and your support and wanting to be a part of the Saturday shoutouts. I am so proud of you and I love you so much. Without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into this video, and I will see y'all in just a second. Okay, so today we're going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. This is the Prism palette. This is what she looks like. She's very beautiful. She's used. I've played with her quite a bit. So we're gonna go in with this palette today. I've already primed and set my eyes. I just used some concealer and some setting powder. It's the same routine that I always use. So the first thing we're gonna do today, we're gonna go into this color right here. It's called Unity. This is just gonna be our transition shade. So it's a real pretty mustard yellow color. It's not your normal transition shade. Okay, and this is just a pretty transition shade. Like I said, it will help flow everything that we have going on together. So we'll just rub this all over the crease and up high. You don't have to do it high, but because of the hooded eyes, I've worked my way around eyeshadow. Now I'm going to dip into this shade right here. It's a peachy orange, and we're gonna work this all on the outer corner into the crease. And when I barely have anything left, I'm going to take it in to my inner corner. And again, when you go to blend eyeshadow, make sure that you hold the brush at the end because it is more, you have less control and it doesn't push so hard, so you can really sit there and blend these out. The closer you get, the more control you have and the harder you push, so it's not going to be as smooth. It will get choppy and then it will just be so hard to blend out. So always hold your brush with less control, especially when you're blending out. Now I'm dipping into this shade right here. This is called Saturn. It is more of a deeper orange. It's more of a burnt orange. So I'm taking this on a Morphe 433. It's just a blending brush that is kind of flat but blendy at the same time. And I'm going to keep this right on the outer corner and into the crease. And I'm just gonna sit here and roll it like this in my fingers. So I will roll it back and forth just to kind of pack in that color. And then once I get that color packed on, I will go in and I will start blending this out. Just small circular motions. Once I have that, I'm going to take what I have left and blend it into the crease, deep into the crease. And that's why I like this brush, a flat domed, and it helps me really get into that hood and get that crease. And then once I have hardly anything, any product left on my brush, I will blend this out and take it more up to blend in with the peachy orange tone. Okay, now I'm going to take these two, this really chocolate brown and this more of a tan, has kind of like a purple undertone to it. It's a mauve-y tan. I'm gonna mix those two together and I'm going to use a Morphe M506. It is a very small domed brush. And I'm just gonna take as little product as possible just to kind of darken out this outer V. Just a little, not too much. We don't want it overpowered. We don't want it to overpower the warm tones that we have going on. So I'll work this onto the lid and into the V just to give it a little bit of definition. And then I will lightly blend that out when I have nothing left on my brush. And I'm just gonna take this pretty much halfway into the crease. Okay, and now that I have the color and the intensity that I want, I'm just gonna go in with a blending brush. Any blending brush will do, and like I said, hold it at the end so we can sit here and seamlessly blend all of this together. We don't want no harsh lines, and you barely want to be touching it. And if you have the hooded eyes, if you lift your eyebrow when you do your eyeshadow, it makes things so much easier. Because if I keep it like this, and the hood is not gonna get blended out, so raise your eyebrow and kind of close your eye a little bit. Okay, now dipping into this copper shade right here. It is called Eternal, and I'm just gonna be using a small flat shader brush. And actually, I lied, I'm gonna dip into the gold. I'm going to put gold into the inner lid. And with this technique, if you wanna cut the crease, you are more than happy to. I'm not going to. I'm gonna try to keep it a little bit more natural today. Not natural, but I have the hooded eyes, but I'm gonna work around my crease. So I want it to be a more blended out look than a more specific cut crease kind of look. So now I'm gonna dip into this shade right here. It is pretty much a translucent, not translucent, iridescent topper shade. I'm going to grab some of that on my brush, on the same brush, I just wiped it off, to spray my brush with some Fix Plus. Oh, didn't work. Just like so. And I'm going to dig this really deep into that corner, and it will definitely help brighten quite a bit, which is what I'm looking for. Now on a bigger smudger brush, this is just a Sephora Pro, it's the number 18. I'm going to take that copper shade, Eternal, and again, you don't have to, but I'm gonna spray it with Fix Plus, just so I can really get the payoff that I'm looking for. Kind of turns it more into a foil. So I'm taking that all the way up into my crease, and then I will just blend this in ever so lightly into that dark shade that we got in the corner, and then ever so lightly onto the gold shade. We don't want to lose that gold, but we want a really smooth transition between the gold and the copper. A nude eyeliner pencil. I'm gonna put this in my waterline. I'm not using a black eyeliner today because in the simple fact of I want to keep my eye open, and I really want these golds in my corner to pop, so I'm gonna keep this light. And I feel like if I use the black, I feel like it'll kind of take it away. Maybe I'm wrong, but I wanted to go nude, so we're going nude. You can use a black if you'd like. The Kat Von D tattoo liner, and we're gonna make a small, well, maybe not a small wing, but a wing. If you want to see how I do my winged liner for my hooded eyes, I do have a tutorial on that. I actually just filmed that the other day, so if you might go check it out. Okay, and now for the lower lash line, I'm just going to dig that deep brown color right into my lash line. Sorry. And I'm not going to take it in all the way. I'm just going to take it about half to 3/4 of the way. I will then take that burnt orange color and really smoke this out. Now I'm going to go in with more of that peachy shade, and I'm going to lightly, I'm just kind of going to connect the shadow from the wing and the outside and work this in all on my lower lash line. After you blend your waterline in your lower lid, your lower lash line, I don't know why I keep doing that. If you lose the nude pencil, just go in and reapply. For the brow bone, you can use any highlighter you like. I'm using the Ofra Rodeo Drive. It had come in one of my BoxyCharm boxes, and it's actually one of my favorites. And for inner corner today, I want to do something a little different. I want to try to use this emerald green. This is from the Kat Von D palette. It is a highlighter holographic palette. Very pretty. Again, this step is not necessary. I mean, highlighting your inner corner is necessary, of course, but if you want to use the same highlighter that you use on your brow bone or on your cheeks, you're more than welcome. This is more of a preference. I just want to put a little bit of a touch on it. But I'm in love. I think I'm in love. I think that did it. Okay, y'all, and this is the final look. I really hope that y'all like it because I fell in love. I'm actually going to take some of the Fenty lip gloss because for lipstick I used ColourPop Ultra Matte. This is in Speed Dial. It is absolutely one of my favorite colors ever made, ever. But the only thing I don't like about it is that it's ultra matte. I have very dry lips, so I always have to tend to put lip gloss on top, which the Fenty is a perfect match. So it worked out well. And for my lashes, I used Lilli lashes in the style Lila. They're very beautiful, and I hope y'all enjoyed the tutorial, and I hope that y'all come back again soon. Y'all have a blessed one, and I'll see y'all soon. Bye. I'm not gonna cry. I know it's not a lot.